Imagine waking up to panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean, where modern architecture doesn't just sit on the land, it breathes with it. Today, we're exploring Villa Pernoi in Lagos, Portugal, a masterpiece that redefines what it means to live in harmony with nature. This isn't just a house, it's a 4,000 square foot meditation on light, space, and connection. Stay with me as we uncover how architect Mario Martins created something truly extraordinary. Lagos, Portugal, where dramatic cliffs meet endless ocean horizons. Villa Pernoi sits on an expansive plot facing east and south, commanding views across the sweeping bay of Lagos and the ever-changing tides of the Alvor estuary. But here's what makes this project fascinating. The client didn't want a house that dominated the landscape. They wanted one that conversed with it. Mario Martins' Atelier faced the challenge of creating a home that would capture multiple viewpoints while respecting the natural topography. The result? A design that responds organically to its environment. Every angle calculated, every sightline considered. This is architecture as choreography, where the building moves with the rhythm of the land itself. At the villa's heart lies something unexpected, a void. This central garden patio isn't just an outdoor space. It's the home's breathing lung, an intentional emptiness that draws the landscape through the architecture. Think of it as the negative space that gives meaning to everything around it. This patio organizes the views, anchors the circulation, and creates what the architect calls the sense that holds the house together. From this central void, clean angular lines extend outward, establishing connections with the surrounding landscape's natural geometry. It's not fighting the terrain, it's dancing with it. Every room relates back to this garden heart, creating a home where you're never more than a few steps away from nature, light, and that sense of groundedness that makes Portuguese architecture so compelling. Let's talk about materials, because this is where Villa Pernoi becomes truly poetic. The lower level is clad entirely in Travertine limestone, a choice that's both practical and profound. This isn't just beautiful, it's brilliant. The Travertine grounds the building, literally and visually. It reduces the perceived mass, making this substantial home feel like it's emerging from the earth rather than imposing upon it. Above this stone base, the upper floor appears to float, a crisp white volume that seems weightless against the sky. This contrast creates visual tension while maintaining harmony. The heavy anchors the light, the earth supports the sky. Even the suspended walkway reinforces this floating sensation, giving you the feeling of walking on air as you approach the main living spaces. The upper floor is where Villa Pernoi truly soars. Here, the living room, kitchen, and terraces blend into one seamless experience of indoor-outdoor living. This isn't about square footage, though at over 4,000 square feet, there's plenty of space. It's about the quality of that space. Different zones create varied atmospheres while maintaining visual connection to those stunning views. The two principal bedrooms occupy a more secluded wing, each with its own private patio. Privacy without isolation. You can retreat while still feeling connected to the home's central rhythm. What's masterful is how each space frames different aspects of the landscape. From the kitchen, you might catch the morning light over the estuary. From from the bedroom, perhaps the evening glow across the bay. The house becomes a viewing instrument for the natural world. The lower level isn't just a basement, it's the home's foundation in every sense. Additional bedrooms, service areas, all the practical elements that make luxury living possible. But the real star down here is this stunning rectangular pool, positioned as the garden's focal point. It's not competing with the views, it's reflecting them, literally bringing the sky down to earth. 6 bathrooms total, 4 bedrooms. This is a home designed for living, not just looking. Every practical need considered, every comfort provided, but never at the expense of the architectural vision. The pool feels embedded in the landscape, as if it's always been there. That's the hallmark of great architecture, making the new feel inevitable, natural, right? The architect describes Villa Pernoi as wanting to be discreet, quietly settled in its place. In an age of architectural ego, there's something profoundly confident about restraint. This isn't architecture that shouts, it whispers. But that whisper carries incredible power. Completed in 2019, it represents a mature approach to luxury living, where the real luxury is harmony. Through the lens of photographer Fernando Guerra, we see how light moves through these spaces, how materials age gracefully, how a building can feel both contemporary and timeless. Villa Pernoi proves that the most powerful architecture doesn't conquer its environment. It converses with it. In Lagos, Portugal, Mario Martin Atelier has created more than a beautiful home. They've crafted a love letter to place. Sometimes the most radical thing you can do is listen to the land, to the light, to the client's dreams, and respond with quiet confidence. That's the lesson of Villa Pernoi. What do you think? Does this approach to architecture inspire you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible homes from around the world.